Dear all, a very good morning. Today let us discuss about the power quality definition as per the IEEE 1159. Till time we have discussed that the power quality is governed by, or the power quality has a measures as constant voltage profile, distortion free waveforms, constant frequency profile, and reliability of the power supply, that is with no outage and continuity of the electrical supply. So these are the measures for good power quality. But as per the IEEE 1159, the power quality definition as the concept of powering and grounding the sensitive equipment in a manner that is suitable for the operation of that equipment. So this is the IEEE 1159 definition, that it is which is including the powering concept of the powering and grounding of the sensitive electronic equipment in a manner that is suitable for the operation of that equipment. In the IEEE 100 authoritative dictionary of the IEEE standard terms, power quality is defined as the concept of powering and grounding electronic equipment in a manner that is suitable to the operation of that equipment and compatible with the premise wiring system and other connected equipment. So this is all about the powering and grounding concept. Let us discuss the long duration RMS voltage variation. The long duration variation, it encompasses the RMS deviation, root mean square deviation at a power frequency for longer than a 1 minute. That is a long duration. So what is the short duration? That is shorter than the 1 minute. But that results in over voltage and under voltage phenomenon. So what is over voltage? I am talking about the long duration RMS voltage variation which persists for more than a 1 minute, and that is resulting in the over voltage and under voltage. So let us see the over voltage. An over voltage is an increase in the RMS AC voltage greater than the 110 percentage at the power frequency for a duration longer than a 1 minute. So 110 percentage increase in the rated value, and that which persists for more than a 1 minute is nothing but the over voltage phenomenon. Over voltages are usually the result of load switching. So let us see what is under voltage. And under voltage is a decrease in the RMS AC voltage to less than 90 percentage at the power frequency, but for a duration longer than a 1 minute. That is the under voltage phenomenon. So it is the decrease in the RMS AC voltage less than the 90 percentage and which persists more than a 1 minute. That is under voltage. A load switching on or a capacitor bank switching off can causes an under voltage until voltage regulation equipment on the system can bring the voltage back to the within tolerance limit. Automatic voltage regulators are basically used. So let us see the sustained interruption. When the supply voltage has been zero for a period of time in excess of the 1 minute, the long duration voltage variation is considered as a sustained interruption. Let me repeat, when the supply voltage has been zero, interrupted, no voltage, no input. When the supply voltage has been zero for a period exceeding 1 minute, then it is a sustained interruption. Voltage interruption longer than a 1 minute are often permanent and require human intervention to repair the system for the restoration. So let us discuss the solutions for the power quality problems. So first, it is the grid adequacy. Second, we'll prefer the distributed resources, that distributed generations and energy storage, and enhanced interface devices. That we will discuss all these points subsequently in the next units. So please go through the standards regarding the IEEE, which they will help you to find all the electrical definitions, power quality definitions. So take a pause and read all these IEEE standards, which are much more important. Like in IEEE 1159 stands for the power quality, that recommended practice for monitoring electrical power quality. So on, all these standards must be known to all the each and every electrical engineer. So please take a pause or take a screenshot and read all these standards. Thank you.